Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicharron burritos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including your preferred chicharron, fresh tomatoes, and serrano peppers. Ensure you have warm tortillas ready for assembly. This recipe is straightforward and yields incredibly flavorful results, perfect for a satisfying meal any time of day. We'll cover each step to ensure your burritos are perfect. To begin, cut your chicharron into pieces about 1 inch in size. Place these pieces in a pot and cover them with water. Add a pinch of salt and any other desired seasonings, like a bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, or until the chicharron is very tender. Drain most of the liquid, reserving about 1/4 cup for moisture. Next, let's prepare the flavorful salsa. Roast about 3 medium tomatoes, 2 serrano peppers, and 1 clove of garlic until slightly charred. Blend these roasted ingredients with a little water until smooth. Pour this salsa over your prepared chicharron in a pan. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Now it's time to assemble your delicious burritos. Warm your tortillas on a comal or in a microwave until they are soft and pliable. Spoon a generous amount of the chicharron and salsa mixture onto the center of each warm tortilla. You can add optional fillings like shredded cheese, diced onions, or cilantro. Fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom to create a perfect burrito. Enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.